And the race is on. Divine fast to begin, followed by Born Tycoon, both boss riding ahead, and running by the rally is Lyotar. And going along for the first turn, Divine by about 3 lengths, followed down by riding ahead is Lyotar, the favorite, running down on the inside alongside Born Tycoon. And Botbo is running at the tail of the field by about 6 to 7 lengths of the leader. As they round the 3/4 mile distance, Divine by about 5 lengths, followed by riding ahead 3 lengths. Corner back in third, Born Tycoon. East Lyotar is running down on the inside, and both boys still bring up the rear. Passing the half-mile post, Divine by about 4 lengths, riding ahead, getting closer in second is Lyotar down on the inside alongside Born Tycoon, and Botbo is still running at the back of the pack. And rounding the far turn, Divine by only a length and a half is riding ahead. He's running in second is Lyotar, and Born Tycoon fighting it up for third and fourth position. Botbo remains in fifth as they swing for home. Divine's riding ahead on the outside to grab the lead. Is riding ahead, Divine. Born Tycoon is Lyotar is sneaking by the rail. Is riding ahead on the outside. Born Tycoon down on the inside. Is riding ahead, Born Tycoon. Born Tycoon's riding ahead, Born Tycoon, and finally close finish between Born Tycoon and riding ahead. Then comes Divine. Both